Precieuse Petu is a Congolese journalist who fled the DRC's eastern city of Goma after M23 rebels captured it last year. She's now living with her relatives in the DRC capital, Kinshasa. The war has left her vivid memories of the death and destruction.
Le M23 ont causé la souffrance.
The M23 rebels have caused a lot of suffering for many families. There were women engaged in farming and those who owned land in areas of Saki, Rushuru, Masisi, and Nyiragongo. They supported their families by selling maize, cassava, and other crops that they grew. But when the bombs started landing on their fields, they had to stop farming.
The clashes between government forces and the M23 rebels have forced millions of people to flee their homes in eastern Congo since late 2021. Many of them are now relying on handouts from aid agencies. A report released by a US-based agency, Action Against Hunger, classifies the DRC as a hotspot of very high concern because of persistent violence. The agency says more than 25 million people in the DRC are expected to experience crisis levels of hunger this year. Congolese authorities say their main priority is to end the conflict and support displaced people.
The Congolese government is working hard right now to set up an environment for dialogue, which means that we are focused, first of all, on ending the war. Because when we have war, of course, that's the result. Because Congo is a very fertile land. We are blessed to have over 80% of land that's very, very fertile. But we're affected by this conflict that has been going on for so long.
Nigeria and Sudan were also listed among the countries where millions of people are projected to face hunger. Armed conflicts in Nigeria, Sudan, and the DRC have been identified as a key driver of hunger, displacing millions of people. Aid agencies warn that the crisis is likely to persist at least until June, leaving millions, especially children, at risk of severe malnutrition. Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Ethiopia, Myanmar, Pakistan, and Yemen are the other countries experiencing hunger. The plight of millions of people in those countries worsened last year after the US government cut funding for humanitarian assistance. Aid agencies are now calling on other donors to step in and support millions of people in Africa and the Middle East who are facing acute hunger. Chris Ochamringa, SABC News, Kinshasa.